everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and so I'm looking at worksheet number 1, question number 12. There was actually a question about this, so I decided to make a quick video. So it says find a value of x without guessing and checking so that x, x plus 2, and x plus 3 are consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. Okay, so we have to remember that a geometric sequence behaves like an exponential function. And so we've been talking about the fact that an exponential function has a constant ratio between the terms. So for example, if I give you, let's look at an exponential function, y equals 2 times 3 to the x. Okay, we know our y-intercept is 0, 2, and we know that we're multiplying by 3 every single time. So 3 to the 1 is 3 times 2 is 6, so 1, 6. And then 2 would give me 3 to the 2, which is 9, times 2, which is 18. Okay, so you can see that you're multiplying by 3 every time on the change in y as a multiple, right? And we're adding 1 each time on our x's. Okay, so it's not a linear function where it's a constant rate of change. But when you multiply by 3, that's the same thing as saying the ratios between the terms is 3, meaning 6 over 2 is the same thing as 18 over 6. So that's the definition of an exponential function. So that's basically what happens in a geometric sequence. If I turned this into the sequence 2, 6, 18, and you're multiplying by 3 every time, well, the ratio of 6 over 2 would be the same as 18 over 6. All right, so if we use that idea to put this together, it says find a value of x so that x, x plus 2, and x plus 3 are consecutive, that means right next to each other with no gaps, consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. All right, so let's think about that. That means that the ratio between the terms has to be equal. So that means that x plus 2 over x has to be equal to x plus 3 over x plus 2. All right, well, now we have a proportion. So we clear fractions. So we're going to multiply both sides by, or the whole equation, by x and times x plus 2. All right, so that's going to give me x plus 2 squared, because the x's will cancel on the left side, equals the x plus 2's cancel, and I'll get x times x plus 3. This is the square of a binomial, which means when I multiply it out, I'm going to get a perfect square trinomial. So we square the first term, we double the inside product, we square the last term. On the right side, we're going to distribute the x, giving us x squared plus 3x, and now we solve. So we see that the x squareds simplify to 0, so they go away. So now I have a linear equation, so I'm just going to isolate the variable. All right, so I'm going to subtract 3x and subtract 4, so x equals negative 4. So let's see if this works. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And it looks like that is a geometric sequence because each time we're dividing by 2. Okay. Hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.